In this video from Mastorakos, my friend, you are going to see how to repair a video player VHS VCR video. We have here a video which have problem, so we have to look inside. This video, as you see in your screen, it's a DVD and a VHS player together. DVD is working okay, but we have problem with the VHS player because, as you see, they can play the tape and they ruin the tapes without playing them. Now we have get out all the screw which holding the mechanism. Also is multi-cable from there. And now very carefully we are lifting up all the mechanism. In this place there is a switch. It is regulator the RPM of the motor, and if we open the switch, as you see, there are about 5 contacts inside. We have to clean them with some special spray or with free alcohol and cotton ears, but you have to be very careful because it's a very difficult work. It's very small, very delicate. If we haven't problem from the motors, but only with our screen, it isn't necessary to open this switch. Before we put our mechanism again, we have to watch to lift the front door and put the mechanism under the door. Okay, now we have put together all the mechanism, and I'm going to show you how we can clean the video head and all the sensor inside our video player. We use a cotton ear and pure alcohol for cleaning all this system. As you see here, this is where tape come through from this system, and they write or they read the tape. We also clean all these places which come through the tape, and last but not least we have to clean the head by using this time not cotton ears but simple paper, small piece of simple paper with pure alcohol, as you see here, and we are with our hand we are turn this way the head, and with the other hand we are holding the piece of paper on the head for cleaning all around the head. We also cleaning and down the stable piece of our head. And if you are doing all this properly, then you'll see that your video will work like new. As I'm going to show you now, which I'm going to test our video player, we're going to put a tape, and you are seeing that the tape works properly. Thank you, my friend, for watching this video. Bye bye from Mastorakos.